Hi everyone, hope you are fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the call problem in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite and CE2 Lite 5G. So if in this device you are having problem like your call ends again and again, or you are having any call problem, you can fix it by the methods I will show you in this video tutorial. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the call and problem in your device OnePlus. Let's watch it.